In this video, I will show you how to link PayPal and Whop. To get started, go ahead and open Whop on your browser, sign in into your account, and in here, make sure that you're actually signed in into your account. So go ahead and head over in the bottom left corner of your screen, and in here, you'll be able to find your profile name with an icon. Click on that circle and click on your profile name. Now from here, go ahead and hit on the settings button at the top right of your screen. Now head over into the balance section. So there is no direct way for you to link your PayPal to your Whop account, but you can link your PayPal into your Stripe account. So Stripe is the financial service that Whop uses for their application, which means that you can actually withdraw your earnings on Stripe. From there, you can connect your PayPal account into your Stripe account to withdraw your money from Stripe to PayPal. And that is basically how you can link your PayPal account and Whop. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.